the Graves Motorsports catback titanium and carbon exhaust system for the 2023 Kawasaki ZX-4RR. It's a beautiful system. You can see the entry cap is made out of titanium. The entry tube is titanium. The straps over the carbon body are titanium, and the exit cap is titanium. Beautiful part, strapless type design, and really easy to install. I'm going to show you. You need 3 tools to install this system. 12mm wrench, 10mm wrench, 5mm socket. We'll start by loosening the exhaust bracket bolt here. Pretty easy to do. What I really like about this system is that you can switch back and forth from the stock exhaust system to the Graves exhaust system in just a matter of minutes. So if you're preparing to go to a track day and you want to reduce some weight and improve some power and torque, it's just a very simple modification. This comes right off. And this slides right on. Just line that up right there. Use your socket head Allen. Tighten the clamp down here. Use a soft towel just to wipe off any fingerprints. The titanium before you start it. And you're good to go.